I love KBrands tomato cages as they are completely adaptable to whatever your plants need. You can constantly pop these off and move them where you want if you want to adapt it, and you can just add to it when you need to make it taller. On top of it, you can get even fancier by combining cages if you want to make more custom styles. Right here we have a tomatillo and an heirloom tomato plant, and I was able to put them both in the same pot thanks to KBrands. They both have their own separate spaces. And then this cherry tomato plant is growing so fast that I just added another section, and let me show you how easy it is to continue to grow with your tomato plant. Now, making it taller is as simple as using one of the sticks and the connector piece, and you just push those together and put it wherever you want, and then you can just add more side pieces as you need. So as you can see, this tomato plant is getting a little unruly. So I'm just going to stick this in here, and I can make it as wide or as narrow as I want. And I can put them around in the same spot or adapt them to the plant itself. You really can make this your own. Now I'm going to do the last one lower down as I'm trying to get this one arm of tomato plant back into the cage, and that gets it all contained. These are hands down my favorite tomato cages of all time. I have bought multiples of them and have reused them time and time again. I highly recommend KBrands tomato cages.